My name is Jonathan Scatia. I am the architect and the lead engineer here at PubTrawlr. And today I just wanted to show you how to use the free tier and the types of information that you can get from it. So when you land on the PubTrawlr homepage, you'll see this bar with your query. So what is it that you want to learn about? What are the things in the biomedical sciences and social services that are important to you? So as an example, let's just start with something that's near to my heart, the idea of organizational readiness. So we just type this in here and hit the go button. And the way that PubTrawlr works is by pulling all of the available records within a discrete period of time. So in order to compile and get descriptives off that data, sometimes it takes a little bit of time for your query to run. It can be anywhere between 15 seconds. On the paid tiers, when the more advanced algorithms take place, can be several minutes. The idea is that we want to get a broader understanding and a more targeted synthesis of what is it in your literature that you're interested in. So let's go ahead and wait here until this specific query processes. Oh, great! So our query is done. We can now hit the click the view report button, and it will open in a whole new window for us. So let's see what we've learned about organizational readiness. So we know in the recent past, 32 different articles have been published with organizational readiness, either appearing in the title or in the abstract somewhere. We can see that most of these have occurred within the recent past, so earlier this year, although there were some early other ones going back to 2000, 2008. This figure shows who's publishing the different articles on this. So we see most of the articles, 2 of them, in the Journal of Nursing Administration and 2 of them in PubMed, with other articles on organizational readiness distributed between all of these other journals. When authors sometimes submit their articles, they're asked to come up with several keywords that might be useful. So we see that most of the organizational readiness literature is coming in the health area, healthcare, human services. That's likely due to the database that we're pulling from. Down here, we see our word pairs. This is a really helpful way to get a sense of broad level topics that are being discussed in the literature. So we see a lot of the organizational readiness research is focused on contextual factors. We see, again, healthcare, public health, mental health, care settings, systems of care, primary care, and so on. Feel free to interact with this particular figure here. If you click on a bubble, it tells you how many times the specific word appears within the abstracts. And if you click on a pathway, it tells you how often that specific pair does. So we see that implementation itself occurs 73 times, and implementation research occurs 5 times. And then finally, we want to provide types of articles, exemplary articles, that you can go to learn a little bit more. So within the top 5 journals that are publishing on organizational readiness, we pick a sample of different articles for you to follow up on. So here we see Deering is published in not that long ago, at the beginning of this month, in Frontiers on Public Health on Organizational Readiness Tools for Global Health. So let's open that. And it takes us right to the PubMed site with the full abstract. In many cases, journals that are indexed on PubMed have full text links. So if we wanted to click, I don't know, here, we go to the actual full article. So that way you can read through and see where we can learn more about the specific things that we're interested in. So if you're interested in learning more, feel free to continue to search to explore the different ways that PubTrawlr can help you and your team. On the paid tier, there are many different algorithms and many more specific types of things that we can glean from the literature. So we hope that you continue to explore and learn from all the things you can get from PubTrawlr. So thanks and have a great day.